Welcome back, friends. We are going to quickly review where we left off in Jan. It's already mid-year, and we had this video forecast 2023 next moves. We had these dates here, potential dates of turns, and we made a case, and we also plotted these cycles for you right there. You can see the same cycles are going to show up again, and we'll just review it, what happened. So you already have that video, or if you're interested to review that. Okay, now let's get back to where we are. So dates were already there, posted, and we were doing cycle analysis, and this is the same cycle as you can see. It's not that we are doing some plots in paint. There we go. This is the year boundary, and then you can see the cycles turning. And all right, there we go. So heading back to the live screen where we are today. So what you see here, we are mapping the cosmic energies as they are coming out from space and hitting the Earth rotation and dynamically interacting with the EMF. So anyways, so there are various interaction of heavenly bodies right here. So these are the shorter cycles, and we are doing the causality matrix calculations because it goes from -1 to +1. So it represents the correlation in a trigonometric fashion. That's all there is to it. So February. So as these cycles turn and these other interactions happen right there, right? Crosses, for example, when they all connect together, we're gonna see some vibrations, which is basically a turn is projected, which basically means that the market is going down, expect to turn to the other side. So this is not giving you up and down direction, it is giving you the turns in time. All right. So this little these are 100-point move, 100-point moves. This is a 200-point move. This is a 300-point move, right? So, all right. So this is the case in point that here. Look at this energies. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. Interaction of the bodies, put a stop to it, and this interacted with the peaks and of this causal factor, which is shorter cycles right there. You can see that. So that put an end to things, and then it started a new trend. When all these cycles came together, it's put an end, and then put it down, push. It coincided with this dates. All right. So let me take a picture of that. Dates we had right here. So we said somewhere in Feb 1721. So Feb 1721 is right here. It turned, and then we said March 8 and 10, which is, let's see, this one. March 8 is right here. Feb is here. We both had a good move forecast, and then March 20, end of March, or like 22, somewhere right here. And why we said that? Because of the interaction of these bodies and these bodies. So market came down into these, market went up into these dates, and it came down. So if you look at 4107, 3990. So almost 100-point moves, right? Small swing. This is a daily chart. All right. April 5 and 6. So April 5th and 6th, twice did we say that? Again, looking at the bodies on the top interactions right here, we had 2 interceptions. And day is 5 and 6 is actually should have been a 4th. I don't know why I wrote that, but you got that, right? Interaction. And then we have these interaction of these intersections, right? There are a lot of intersection right in this conjunction. So it was going on the extensively on the upside, and we got stopped out here. That is, the movements got stopped out here. Okay, and then April 14, 17 area. It is right here. 14, 15, 16, 17, and we got 150-point move. Alright. Then 24, 26. Right here. Got a 200-point move up. So vibrations are supporting it. And then we have May 5 and 6, which is 5 is here. Came down, it went up. So you can see how all these vibrations here, vibration here. Why didn't I plot this one? What is this one? March 13th. He said March 10th. 10th is here. Okay, so it was good one. Anyway, so I think all this one, all of them seem to be vibrating. Okay, now let's get to the edges of it. May 5 and 6 also we saw it came right here, right? So it moved quite a bit, almost 160, 160, 260 points. Wow, nice. Okay, what else we had? Another date. I'm assuming June 2nd. Okay, so June 2nd, it just you see there is no heavenly bodies on the bigger side. Only we did a forecast on the small side based on this interaction, and so it just stopped. It went down maybe a few points, but okay, so we can call this one failure, no worries. And then we went forward with looking at these dates here already on the internet. We can't lie on that. June 22nd. 22nd to 20. Okay, 20 to 23 we wrote something. Okay, anything else I wrote after that? No.
Why goes
all right. June 23, the bottom came and it pushed off after that, right? So we stopped here giving the information. So all these vibrations, this, I think we already got good vibrations without saying anything on the right side. Not after the fact, we give it to you in January. Now there's a lot of cluster happening here, so let's put some more dates here now till December. How about that? So this proves that last whole year we gave these dates. There's a huge impact on our energy model, what we have come with in the markets, and we tell you 6 months in advance where the vibration is going to come. So you have to be smart enough to be able to trade these based on technical analysis. People watch it, they see it, they understand it, they want it, but they don't know what to do with it, right? So that is where you need to really get into our hedging program, professional trading, to see how to really leverage this. I mean, this is, if you can't get rich with this free stuff, you really get trained. You have to get trained if you want to get rich. using this phenomena. All right, so let's now you see this lot of cluster, a lot of noise is coming at the beginning of, so it is heading towards this noise, and some pushback is expected. Mid pushback can go sideways like this and take off, blow off the top, which we already said it will. We also said we are going to be mildly bullish since this time frame. We have been publishing this, not everything in public space, but you got the idea. Now this was a cluster right here. You can see three things clashed together. It put a stop to it. It was a magnet, got attracted, pushed it. So you already had that. Did you have that? Let's check it out. June. So June. I think you had it. I just plotted. Let's see it till June.
We will.
Sorry about that. Let's see. So where is the ship? All right. So I think we didn't plot the cycles in August. We just stopped at June only. So that's why we did forecast till June only. That's fine. But okay. So you got the idea that how we have been saying this for almost 18 months. What the story is going to be folding like. All right. So here, going back to this cluster. August 15 area. I'm not gonna go to the specific one or two dates. I'm just gonna talk on this video and I'll probably put some dates here very fast. I'll just put the dates. So we are in July. So July 20th area. So I'll just put July 23rd area. Why I'm saying that? Again, I'm looking at a lot of energy clustering going on. This is one interaction. If you look on the bottom, there's other three heavenly bodies also attracting in the bottom. So July 20th area 2021, we'll add that date. Let's give it a range so you can technically see the situation using methods and models of reverse cycle reflection half circles to see what is anticipated. All right, and then August 7-8 I'll put. August, this is also extreme clusters going on. Mid-August I'll put something, right? Now we can take the dates of highs and lows and predict the whole 7 days. Sorry, 7 turns, 8 turns. Date gives us dates, right? But we cannot expose all this. We got professional trading tools only for pros, 7-figure pros, right? So, but I'm giving you free enough data to get excited about doing something big with your life. Possibilities are there if you want it. All right, so July, I think, and also I'm seeing some movement. I'll just put those dates. July 27th, August 7th, 8, 15. I'm gonna just give you some little bit aggressive dates right here, and then August 7th. I think mid-August 20th. What is it going on here? Right here. 15th August. 15, 16 August. I wrote it down also. Which okay, and then we're looking at end of August. So I'm putting August 30th. So now, which means energy is gonna shift. You have to be a trader to use this effectively. What else we have here? We have August 25th. And we have August 31st. August 22nd. A lot of things are happening in August. It seems like every week some clash is happening. We'll just keep it that way where we are right now. Okay. Yeah, so that's fine, mid-August area. And then now we have this clash coming September 21st. So let me put that one. We have ways to get to the accuracy of hourly pivots, right? Takes a process and understanding to do that. All right, September 7th. Also, I'll put it. Okay, I'm just putting single date plus minus days is anticipated September 25, 26. Okay, October 10th. September 22nd, 25, I did that. 21 is already there, 21, 22 is fine. Okay, and then we have October 10th, 4th. So October 5, we'll put it October 4, 5 area, and then we're looking at October, this big cycle, October 10th. Okay, October 10th also area, I put it. October 19th. 10th, 11th is there. Okay, so I put 10, 11. October 19th. Okay, let's put October 19th regarding decent turn, and then we have a lot of cluster again happening in November. So let's put November 15th. So October 19th. After that, so we have bunch of cluster here. October 31st. I'll put that also. October 31st area. Okay, and then we have November, I put it November 15th. November 27th, November 29th, okay, 15th, and November 27 to 29. Then I think you should be enjoying your December vacations. Renew yourself for next life, next year. All right, so these are the dates. It's on video, and what you should do when we're getting into these dates, if you're coming into bullish into these dates, there will be a stoppage reversal, or if you're going bearish into these dates, it will become bullish. So these are reversal points, right? So vibration points. And then we also use some other hidden, we have 40 models just to time the market going down from this level, daily cycles, down to hourly cycles, down to 5 minute, and down to a lot of things happening, right? And then each vibration can be also printed at different time frames using different structures. Just one click and you see the structures, right? You can watch the other video we did for last year, right? How each swing was already predicted by the wave triangle points. I'm not gonna do that right now, since we have people who are in the hedging and professional programs. So those tools are suitable if you get really serious about making 7-figure salary or more, right? And you want to take this full-time opportunity as a full-time business, and you're willing to expect that you should be able to transform yourself in 6 months hard work, right? You have to do total about turn and total makeover from the retail market towards the professional market. So total transformation is what I was trying to say. Okay, so I think these dates are there. You can take a screenshot, just keep your eye, and this is by end of this year we'll review it again, and it'll be 2 years of cycles we have forecasted, just like this. It's all on the internet before it happens. So be cautious about just doing anything blindly, as you can see, because it is not projecting the amplitude of the move. It is just showing a structure of the market, how far it will go and reflect. We have banking bars, we have half a circle, we have a square pivots, we have a lot of angular squares. There's a lot of things happening to pinpoint things, but this is very high level for public space. So you can use these dates along with your existing tool sets in the retail place, which I think you guys have thousands of them. Just whatever is suitable for you, just use that during these dates and see how it plays out for you. Thank you so much.